to make rice with no artificial colors, flavors, vegetable oils, yet very delicious. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin by stir frying our boneless chicken. This is a native chicken and it was actually marinated with shredded chili pepper, grated garlic, onions, salt to taste, and homemade coconut oil for a few hours in the refrigerator. Leave a comment if you'd like to know how I made my homemade coconut oil. So keep stirring for a few minutes until it's done and set aside. In the same pot, add some fresh shrimp to the pot and stir until it's well fried. I don't want it too much fried, I just want it like slightly brown, just like this. And then I'm adding the sliced vegetables, carrots, green pepper, yellow pepper, and some garlic as well. So I'll keep stirring this for a few seconds because I still want it like very fresh. You know, it's a very healthy recipe we're making now. You don't want to overcook our vegetables to lose the nutrients. And then I'm adding the sliced onions, adding more oil to it. And I'm going to fry this for a few seconds before adding the next ingredient. Added tomato paste, very small tomato paste. This pot is a very big pot, so don't get deceived by the video. They're just small tomato pastes. You don't need much. And I'll keep stir frying this for a few minutes before adding the fresh habanero pepper. Fry for about a minute. So I'm just adding the chicken stock because I cook chicken aside. Yes, I made some chicken aside and this is the stock for it. Just adding it. I parboiled my basmati rice. I parboiled it like 1 minute. Yeah, just to remove extra starch because I don't want this food starchy at all. You can also use normal long grain rice. Yes, don't use jasmine rice for this. Normal long grain rice. I just tried to use basmati rice and I parboiled it partially. So I'll just stir this and then adjust the seasoning. Add more salt to it. And then I'm adding the shrimp and I'll stir and then add the chicken. Be careful of the water. This is actually parboiled, as I said earlier. So be very careful of the water. You don't want it soggy. So I added the chicken and then I'm gonna cover this to cook. It's well cooked and just adding like all the fried vegetables to it and some onion strings as well. I'll just stir this for some time, just a few seconds. I'll just stir this and then our food is ready. Trust me, this rice was so delicious. Like, it's something you would try, like you would want to try, you don't want to miss out. It was very delicious and it's very easy to cook, no much ingredients and very easy to make as well. So let me know what you think about it and if you're gonna try it, and also comment where you're watching from. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Thanks so much for staying tuned. Thanks so much for watching till this extent. This is the final results.